today's class, we are about to discuss your ones complement and twos complement and their operations, related operations. So in the previous class, what we have discussed about your r's complement. And r's complement means, suppose you are using binary, then it means you are actually using binary is having base of 2. So when you are using r's complement, it says it's 2's complement. So this is how your things are there. If you are using decimal, then decimal is actually 10, and it says it's a tens complement. So we will be using them. So there are certain methods also two's complement to obtain two's complement of a number. We will be discussing about them. First let's have a detailed theory of your things. Okay, now one more thing which I forget to discuss is, suppose you are having a binary number, suppose you are having 8, then this is in decimal and its binary equivalent is 1 0 0 0. Whenever you are having numbers like this 1 0 0 0, then the most rightmost bit is your LSB, and it is basically your least significant bit, and extreme left, this is called MSB, and we can use it as most significant bit. Okay, so this you should remember what is LSB and what is MSB. So when we will be using the operations, we will be discussing about them in detail. Okay, so let's discuss about your other kind of complement, that is called r minus 1's complement, where r is any base. Suppose you are talking about binary, then r is 2, so it becomes 1's complement. And if it is decimal, it becomes 9 complement. So as far as a definition is being concerned, suppose you are having any positive number n and it is in base r. Okay, so it is having two parts. One is integer part and another is your fraction part. So we can say this is your actually 1's complement, r minus 1's complement. So suppose I have given you a number 52520. This is in your decimal format, and I ask you people to find out its 9's complement. So here you can see this is 10 5 minus 1 is your 9999. So this is your 9's complement. Okay, so here this is equal to, how many digits are there? What is the base? 10. How many digits are there? 5. Minus, do you have any fractional part? No, we don't have any fractional part. Then what is the number? The number is 52520. This is your 10 raised to 5 minus 1 minus 52520. So this is actually 47479. So this is basically your 9's complement of this. So what should be added to this so that all becomes 9? So that is called 9's complement. Similarly, if I ask you people to find out the 9's complement of this, 0.3267. Then your formula remains same. What is that? R raised to power minus R raised to power n minus R raised to power minus m minus n. So your base is 10, but here you don't have any integer. So this is 0. Now you are having 4. So this becomes 10 raised to power minus 4. What is your number? 0.3267. So from here you can get 1 minus 10 raised to power minus 4 minus 0.3267. So this gives you 0.6732. So this is how you can find out the ones complement of any number. Now coming towards other things. That is how we can actually use this R's complement for your subtraction operation. So I hope everything is clear up to now. If you have any doubt, we can discuss that. So let's start a new topic now, that when you are actually using subtraction with R's complement. So if it is binary, it becomes 2's complement. If it is decimal, it becomes 10's complement. So this is basically being used in your computer digital components. So how your computer actually goes for subtraction, that is being discussed in this particular topic. So suppose you are having two positive numbers, 1, m and n. So these are two positive numbers and they are of same base. Then what is the procedure? Same base R. What is the procedure? So procedure is add the minend m to the R complement of the subtrahend n. So the two numbers are there. You want m minus n. What you are doing? You are having m. So plus R's complement of n. That is what you are supposed to do. So when you go for addition, there may be chances that your carry is there. So if carry is there, then what you are supposed to do? Discard it. So if carry is not there might be two chances. Once carry is there, other chance carry is not there. Carry is not there. Carry is not there. Then what you will do? Then take R's complement of the solution and place negative in front of it. So that's the entire procedure. So I will be discussing them with the help of some example so that you get a very good idea of the entire procedure. So first I will be using your what we can say. First I will be using your so first I will be doing some operations with the help of your normal tens format. You are already familiar with this. So suppose you are having two numbers 72532 and from that you will be using 3250. So in this, your 72532 is basically your minant, and 3250 is your subtrahend, and you are doing the subtraction. So in the normal way, you can easily do that because your minand is greater than subtrahend. So, but computer don't do this. Computer uses a particular format that is being followed for all. So first thing is r's complement of this. R's complement is tens complement. So tens complement of 3250. So it comes out to be 96750. So this is your tens complement of this. So what you will do, you go for the addition. So your addition will be like this: 72532 96750. So 2, 8, 12, 9, 16. So 16282. So here what you have observed, a carry is there. Carry is there. So you will discard it, and 69282 is positive, and this is your answer. Now if I ask you that subtract 3250 from 72532, then what you will do? Again, the procedure remains same, that you will have this as minand, and then you will obtain its tens complement. So tens complement comes out to be 27468. Now you will add them: 8, 11, 7, then not sorry, 11, 7, then this is 10, and this is your 3. So 30718. So here we don't have any carry. So no carry is there. So that means its tens complement is to be taken. So this is 2, then 8, 2, 9, and 6. And now because there is no carry, you will place minus sign here. So this is the entire procedure, how you actually get the things being done for you. So I hope you understand this thing. So here you can see carry is there. So what you have to do, discard it, and this will be your answer. Now in this particular problem, you don't have carry. So that means there is no carry. So your answer is r's complement of this. So this is base 10, so this is tens complement. So this will be your answer. But as already told you that if there is no carry, then solution will the r's complement of the solution and negative sign in front of this. So this is your solution, minus 69282. Okay. So I hope you understand this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So next question. Now we don't have much time. So let's have one more problem. Now this time for binary. So this is your M 1010100, and this is your N. So 1000, and then 100. So from here, both the numbers are same. I think this is greater than this. So if you want direct subtraction, it is possible, but we will not do that. We will be going for your r's complement. So before that, I will like tell you how you can obtain the 2's complement. Suppose you are having a number 100 and you are interested in finding out its 2's complement. So first thing is complement. Complement it. So 0 become 1 and 1 becomes 0. So this is called 1's complement. This is called 1's complement. And after that add 1. Add 1. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is your 2's complement. Got it? Take the 1's complement and then add 1 to the number. This is how you get the things being done. There are other shortcut methods which I will discuss later on when we will be discussing. So right now this is the basic method, that complement the bits and then add 1 to it. So this becomes 2's complement. So here your minus will be there 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. But now we are supposed to get the 2's complement of this. So this becomes 1 1 0, then 1 1 1, then 0. Now adding 1 to this.
Yes, sir.
So how you will obtain 2's complement? 1's complement of the number, then add 1. Add 1 to it. So that becomes 2's complement. So let's do this problem once again on a new slide. So this is your M 1 0 0. So this is my end, and your N is actually 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So what you want? You want M minus N. So M I'm writing here 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. So this is your minend, and then you want subtrend. So now we are not doing any sort of subtraction, we are actually going for addition. So what you will do, you will get 1's complement of this. So 1's complement of this is 1 1 0 1 1 1 0, and add 1 to it. When you add 1 to it, you will get 0 0 1, then 1 1 1, and 0 will be there. Now you will add them 0 0 1 1 1. So carry is there. So there is carry will be generated. So what is the fundamental then? In case of carry, discard it. Discard it. Okay. So your answer is positive and answer will be like that. So this is the entire procedure when you actually go for your subtraction using 2's complement. Now suppose I am giving you one more example. In this, your M is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, and your N is 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. So here it is eminent that your N is larger than M and you want M minus N. So what you will do, you will write M as it is, and N you will write. So now I will be telling you the shortcut to find the 2's complement. So how you will find out the 2's complement? So from extreme right till you get the first one. आप बिल्कुल राइट से चलेंगे, जब तक आपका फर्स्ट वन नहीं आ जाता तब तक डिजिट्स को एज इट इज लिख दीजिए, और उसके बाद जो भी यूनिट्स हैं उनको रिवर्स कर दीजिए. जैसे 0 को 1 कर दिया, 1 को 0 कर दिया, 0 को 1 कर दिया, 1 को 0 कर दिया. सो दिस इज योर 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट. वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, आप यहाँ से चलेंगे कब तक? जब तक आपको फर्स्ट वन एनकाउंटर नहीं हो जाता तब तक आप एज इट इज लिख देंगे इसको. ठीक है, ये देखिए आपने वैसे लिख दिया. और उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? उसके बाद आप उसको जो भी आगे की बिट्स हैं 1 0 1 0 इसको आप इन्वर्ट कर देंगे. सो दैट विल बी योर 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो यू विल राइट हियर 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. अब आप इनको ऐड कर दीजिए 0 0. तो इन दिस केस देयर इज नो कैरी. कैरी कोई नहीं है. इस केस में कैरी था, इसमें कैरी कोई नहीं है. तो दैट मीन्स जो आपका आंसर आएगा उसको आप को 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना पड़ेगा. तो तरीका वही है 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑब्टेन करने का कि जब तक आपका फर्स्ट वन नहीं आ जाता तब तक आप एज इट इज लिखिए 1 2 3 4 और उसके बाद इन्वर्ट कर दीजिए, तो ये आपका आंसर है। सो आई होप यू गेट ए गुड आइडिया ये प्रॉब्लम हम कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, यस
सर
स्टूडेंट्स।
इसमें नेगेटिव
Yes, sir.
साइन नहीं लगाएंगे?
हाँ जी बेटा।
इसमें नेगेटिव साइन नहीं आएगा सर?
हाँ, जो भी आपका आंसर है उसको आप नेगेटिव लगा दीजिए। ये आपका आंसर आ गया, इसके आगे आप प्लेस ए नेगेटिव साइन हियर। ठीक है, तो प्रोसीजर इज क्लियर टू यू, यस और नो? हेलो
Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes,
procedure
sir.
is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
this procedure is for your r's complement. So r can be tens, r can be 2. If it is octal, 8's complement. If it is hexadecimal, then 16's complement, depending upon your base. Now we will be discussing about second kind of technique, that is called subtraction with r minus 1 complement. Okay, so if it 2's complement, then it becomes 1's complement. Base is 2, then it becomes 2's complement. And if it is decimal base, then it becomes 9's complement. Okay, so things can be like that. So here we do have some procedure which need to be followed. So the first thing you are supposed to do is add the minand to the r minus 1's complement of the subtrahend n. This is what you can do. So once you do that, there are two possibilities that your end carry. That means you perform the operation. There is possibility that your end carry might be there. So if your end carry is there, what you are supposed to do, add 1 to the LSB. This is what you are supposed to do if carry is there. And if suppose there is no end carry, if there is no end carry, then what happens? You are supposed to do take r minus 1's complement of the number obtained in step 1 and place negative sign in front. So any of these things you can do. So suppose I will be using the same numbers so that you will get a very good idea of the things. 72532 minus 3250. Okay, so what you are supposed to do, you will write the minand as it is. Then you take 9's complement of this. So 9 complement of this is 10 raised to 6 minus this. So that comes out to be your 96749, and then add them. So when you add them, you will get 1 8 2 9 16. So here you will find out that carry is there. So when carry is there, this carry will be added 1 to the LSB. This is your least unit. You are adding 1 to this. So this becomes 2, 8, 2, 6, 9, 2, 8, 2. So this will be your solution. This will be your solution. Now, I want you people to try of your own at home 3250 minus 72532. Okay, so this is exercise being left to you. In the meanwhile, I will be performing one operation with your binary things. So here binary, your M is 1010100 and N is 1000, then 100. So this is your, what you are supposed to do. You will write mine and as it is, and then you will take one's complement of this. One's complement means all the bits need to be inverted. जितने bits हैं उसको change कर दीजिए, 0 को 1 बना दीजिए, 1 को 0 बना दीजिए. That is what you are supposed to do, and then add them. So you're adding it. So you're getting this as your answer. So here you can see your carry is being there. So how you will know that carry is there? How many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 8. So whenever there is overflow of bit, that means it is carry and carry. So what you are supposed to do? If there is carry, add 1. When you add 1, you will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And this is your answer, and answer is positive. Now the other way around, if it is n minus m, then what happens? 1, 000, 1, 0, 0, and then 1's complement of this. So this is actually 1, 1, 0, then 1, 1, 1, 0, then 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So you add them. So here you can see there is no carry. There is no carry. So in that case, what you are supposed to do? Take inverse of this, 1's complement of this, and place a negative sign here. So that will be your answer. So I hope you get a good idea about your two kind of subtractions, 1's complement and 2's complement. So if you have any doubt, you are free to share your doubts with me. Some examples for your R and R minus 1's complement. Now as we are dealing with binaries mostly, so it will becomes 2's complement and 1's complement. So now next topic of the day is comparison between 1's and 2's complement. Because two methods are there, there might be some differences and which one to use under what conditions. So first thing is, as far as your hardware is being concerned, we prefer 1's complement. Okay. Why? Less hardware is being involved. Okay. Why it is being easy? Because only zeros to ones is to be done, complement is to be done. That's it is quite easy. Now coming towards the actual condition. When you are going for subtraction using both the methods, and you are using 2's complement, so only one addition is required. Only one addition is required. That you know, only one addition is being required. On the contrary, when you are having 1's complement and carry is there, in that case, 2 additions are required. 2 additions are required. So this is having a great difference. In first case, only one addition is required. In the second case, 2 additions are required. So I will be giving you one more example. Suppose you are having 1 1 0 0 and 1 1 0 0. So the answer is 0. We know. But computer will do 1 1 0 0 and then 0 0 1 1, add it, and there is no carry. So what it will do, it will complement. So you will get the answer. Yes. Similarly, when you talk about your 2's complement, so this is for 1's complement, then 2's complement is 0 1 0 0. Okay. Then you add them, and 1 is there. So we discard it, we know positive. So here we will have different thing, there we have different thing. So whenever you are having 2 zeros, things get complicated. So that's the problem. You can get it that you're having 2 zeros, you're getting this here you're getting carry using this. So when you are using 2 zeros, things get complicated. So then they have decided that when you are using logical manipulations, that means greater than, less than, and all, where there we can say we will use 1's complement. And when we want to do arithmetic applications, we will be using 2's complement. Okay, so things will be different. So here you will see your answer is 0 minus 0 0 here, this thing. So things here your answer is positive. So answer is same, but you're getting two different answers because no carry is there. If carry is not there, then you will know that we have to, that 1's complemented answer is negative, but that is not the case. Here carry is there, answer is positive. So 2 zeros are there, problems will be there. So this kind of problem gives us new way that you whenever you are using logical method manipulations, you will be using 1's complement, and whenever you are using arithmetic applications, you will be using 2's complement. So this is what the entire thing. So that's all for the day. And if you have any doubt, you are free to discuss with me, and you can mail me, you can even WhatsApp me. Normally WhatsApp I don't check regularly, but whenever I will check, I will give the answers to you. So thank you very much.